Hi everyone, I'm Bita Delisi, and in this video we're going to talk about sold a tenanted property, what realtors need to know about what's next. Well, first and foremost, we receive this question at least once a day, and the question is, does a tenant have to vacate when a seller sells a tenanted property? What you need to know is tenants do not have to vacate when a property is sold. They have the right to remain in the property because the Residential Tenancies Act, so that's the law that governs landlord and tenant relations, offers protection. And only the Landlord and Tenant Board has the ultimate authority to issue an order ending a tenancy. Now, what sellers need to know is that they are really limited to only two options, and that's why who you hire as a realtor is very important, because a realtor really needs to know what constitutes vacant possession, or what they should consider when an offer comes in relation to offering vacant possession. Because I mentioned before that really you're limited to two options: personal use of the property or cash for keys. And in some instances or some circumstances, cash for keys is really the only option. So realtors, you need to really pay attention. When an offer comes in, you need to ask the golden question. And the golden question is, what is the buyer's intention? Are they going to be moving in? Do they have a child or parent that's going to be moving in? Are they going to demolish the property and rebuild? Are they going to do extensive renovations? What is the purpose of purchasing this property? Because based on that answer, then the listing agent can actually guide their client as to which route they can move forward on when they're going to attempt to end the tenancy. Remember, you always have to set expectations for the buyer. Stop telling buyers that, hey buyer, you're guaranteed a termination of tenancy when we go to the Landlord and Tenant Board. Because you're not guaranteed anything when you go to the Landlord and Tenant Board. You now have to convince an adjudicator, a third party, a board member, that you genuinely require the property for personal use. If you're not able to do that, the board will not end the tenancy. It doesn't matter if you sold the property for $20 million. It doesn't matter if the buyer's homeless and living out of their vehicle. You must have a genuine intent to occupy. And that's why, alternatively, the second option is a cash for keys. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions, always call us first.